Buyer showings are up 20.5% compared to 1 year ago, with buyer activity higher in Cecil, Caroline, Dorchester, Worcester, and Wicomico Counties. It's Friday, September 22nd, 2023, and this is your weekly Eastern Shore Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Buyer activity is still slow in Somerset, Queen Anne's, Kent, and Talbot Counties, and inventory is on the rise. No interest rate hikes this week from the Fed, but rates are still over 7%, and that is creating a barrier for many first-time home buyers. This could lead to a ripple effect as move-up buyers whose home typically would be purchased by a first-time home buyer may stall, and so on and so on. We're keeping a close eye on the market as the Fed's desire to curb inflation is also cultivating conditions for a recession. Stay tuned. Inventory has increased 25% since the beginning of the summer to 1,325 for sale on the shore. 109 properties are coming soon for sale. 188 came to the market since last week, 78 went under contract, 76 moved to pending, 127 sold in 9 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell on the shore was a waterfront in Bozeman for $3,400,000. Available rentals are at 97 for the entire shore, priced at a median $1,995 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, September 22nd, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe and have a super weekend. I'll see you next week.